Hello YouTube, coming to you today from the Daytona Beach Radio Control Association airfield in the jungle. So today we are flying the 70mm F-16 Freewing. This is one that we didn't know if it was a bird strike, bug strike, but it turned out to be a big piece of electrical tape went into the fan and destroyed the fan. Basically it's made in flight. Put her back together, got some parts, and well, let's see what we got. Let's go fly.
Flight mode 3, flight mode 2. Flight mode 3, flight mode 2.
All right, I think we got the gear up. She's flying pretty darn well. Got about 10-mile-an-hour winds today. Need to tame my rates down some. Went to mid rates on the ailerons. Yeah, I think she's fixed. I am pegging the throttle though on this one. So let's do a gear check. Gear is down. Okay, we're coming in for a landing. Let's see what we got. Holding about 20% power. Coming in for the landing. Try to drop her in. All right. She's landed. Looks like it was okay too. Didn't do much acrobatic stuff, guys, today. Just wanted to feel her out. But yes, this is the Freewing F-16 70mm. And I'm running a 4,000 graphene, and they are 8360. This one is set up with separate servos, the AGFRCs as recommended by Two Brothers, and as for the back, it's not set up with Tailorons on this transmitter right here. I do have a profile for that. But anyway, Daytona Beach, flying field, coming to you the day after Thanksgiving. Thanks for showing up, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.